We decided to go to one of the state's biggest budget watchdogs, former Representative Steve May. He boiled it down to this: a three-legged stool.
So the top of the stool represents the state general fund, the money that we use to fund all the state services.
It supports education funding for classrooms and welfare dollars for the poor. Underneath that general fund are three legs of revenue income.
So the first one would be property taxes.
He calls this the most stable income source.
Because property doesn't disappear, it doesn't go away. Even in a bad economy, property values tend to increase.
The next leg,
that from sales taxes, which represents the revenue the state receives from all products that are sold in the state of Arizona.
And the third leg
represents the revenue the state gets from all of us who earn income, both corporate and personal income taxes, the majority of which, of course, is personal income taxes.
A complete stool representing your basic state economy.
And it was, of course, stabilized by three stable streams of income: sales tax, income tax, and property tax.
But Arizona's budget stool is not basic.
Well, in 1996, Arizona decided to completely get rid of one of those legs that balanced the stool, the property tax.
The most reliable leg of income, even in a recession.
At the same time, we added what the state had to pay for on the remaining two legs: school construction, which used to be paid for by property tax at the local level, and of course, tax credits, both legitimate tax credits and then loopholes.
That includes the alt fuels tax breaks. Eventually, our budget gives way.
A budget can't stand on two legs.
Back at the Capitol, lawmakers didn't count on the recession.
So when we originally estimated how much money we would have for our state general fund, we thought that the income stream would be essentially this long. The reality is, because of the change in the economy, it's 20% less.
So let's back up. You're probably asking yourself, where then are all my property taxes going? Well, for the past 3 years, all of that leg goes straight to your city and local governments. And that means the state budget has barely a leg to stand on.